How to change name on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and more. You can also view the total number of songs, videos, photos, applications on your phone as well as the total and availability capacity. Tap on Name at the top. You can change your device name from here. Then, tap on Done. You have now successfully changed your device name. Following these steps, you can easily change name on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.